Welcome to class Upper KG. This is our maths period and today our date is Tuesday 22nd December 2020 and firstly we will do oral drill. Now we will revise days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we will revise months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, now we will revise season name. There are 4 seasons in a year: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Okay, now class, tell me, how's the weather like today? Sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, foggy weather. Sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, foggy weather. Today is foggy weather. Today is foggy weather. Now we will revise table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. We revise shapes: SHAPES shapes. Okay, tell me which shape is this? Circle. This is circle. What is the spelling of circle? CIR, sir, CLE, circle. Which shape is this? This is square. This is square. What is the spelling of square? SQUARE, square. Now tell me which shape is this? This is triangle. TRI, try, ANNGLE, triangle. And last one is rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle? RECT, rect, ANNGLE, rectangle. Now we will revise teen words: TEEN, teen, WORDS words. 13, THIR, third, TEEN, teen, 13, FOUR, 4, TEEN, teen, 14, FIF, fifth, TEEN, teen, 15, SIX, 6, TEEN, teen, 16, SEVEN, 7, TEEN, teen, 17, EIGH, 8, TEEN, teen, 18. And now we will revise T words: TYT, WORDS words, T words. TWEN, 20, TYT, 20, THIR, third, TYT, 30, FOR, 4, TYT, 40, FIF, fifth, TYT, 50, SIX, 6, TYT, 60, SEVEN, 7, TYT, 70, EIGH, 8, TYT, 80, NINE, 9, TYT, 90. Today is Tuesday, TUES Tuesday, 22nd December, 2020. Our topic is addition. Here is the sums of addition. Okay, our first value is 2 and 3. Okay, we will solve. Firstly, we will solve the values of ones, then tens. Okay, our first value is 2 and 3. Okay, our first value is 2 and 3. 2 goes to mind and 3 fingers out. Here is the answer is 5. Okay, now 3 goes to mind and 1 finger. 3 goes to mind and 1 finger out. 3 and 1, 4. Okay, our next question is. Okay, next question is 1 and 6. 6 goes to mind and 1 finger out. 6 and 1, 7. 5 and 3. 5 goes to mind and 3 fingers out. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Our answer is 8. Let's come to the copy work. First of all, you will write the date Tuesday 22nd December, 2020. Our topic is addition. Okay. And you will solve these sums by your own. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.